All right, guys, it's about 11:30. It's about time to go to sleep. What'd you say, Big Legend? You still eating?
I'm about to swallow it.
How is
You about to swallow it?
o'clock? How is 11
It's almost 11:30.
How? But you said it's time to go to sleep, but everybody else is asleep, and we the only ones up.
Yeah, it's time to go to sleep, man.
It's time to go to Cardi Rudy, because I'm not going out in the grass.
It's time to go.
No, outside.
You about to be going on watch
No.
in a minute.
This is what I see. I'm not going outside to go and watch. This is exactly what I was about to say.
You about to be
I'm
going
not.
on watch.
No, I'm not.
When you wake up,
You say what?
When you wake up,
I already supposed to be on watch, but I'm in bed right now.
Yeah.
It's almost 12 o'clock. And it's almost.
Big Legend.
It's almost.
I had a whole something on.
It was so. It's 11:30. It's about
That old weed.
It's not even Lenny. In my face. It's a pink toothpaste. It's not chicken. It's a wee wee. It's a corn. It's a pee pee.
What's up, Big Legend?
Huh? That wasn't really my real dance, no.
What's up, Big Legend? Man, they still asleep. It's about to thunderstorm out here, man.
why you keeping the door open?
You say what?
Why you keeping the door open?
We about to brush our teeth. Me and you, we gonna brush our teeth real quick.
One thing.
Nah, Amanda's still asleep, man. We gonna let him get some rest.
He need to brush his teeth.
When he wake up, come on, let's brush our teeth real quick.
But we don't got our toothbrush.
Yeah, I do. Right here. I got your toothbrush.
My toothbrush.
I got my toothbrush.
My toothbrush.
Then we're gonna brush them right here in the sink. Right here in the sink. I got Landon's toothbrush. I got your toothpaste. And I got your toothbrush right here. Oh, no, that ain't it. Where is Big Legend's toothbrush? Oh, right here. Jackpot. Uh-oh, here come the rain, Big Legend. Here it come. Here it come. Hopefully it don't rain too long today. Yeah, we got a little rain out there. Nothing too crazy though. It'll probably stop in like 20-30 minutes.
Dang, look at that.
Yeah, he out there riding in the rain. Cause he ready to ride, man. He ready to ride his dirt bike. It's gonna be awesome though once it stop raining today.
I got one got 4 wheelers. He got 30. What's this?
Yamaha TTR 110. Landon's still snoozing, man. Landon's still snoozing. What's up, son? You finally waking up? You about to go ahead and clean your earrings, clean around your earrings, clean your ears,
Yeah.
and brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Alright. You got your clothes over there, right there at the table, on the seat.
Huh?
Put them back on. Put your dirt bike pants on, your shirt, your drawers. Then we gotta go to the store, man. Real quick. Gotta go get some fish to fry. And some fries. That's what we're gonna eat today out here. It's gonna be awesome. Alrighty. You got about 10 minutes to get ready. Turn it, big legend, turn. Big Legend was whipping. Big Legend out here whipping right now.
I'm cold.
It's cold in here. Come on, man. We gotta get some fish. Dang, sorry.